we've got a new chapter. We've got chapter 19. So parents, we're not going to be giving a chapter 19 test until we complete this chapter. When you see a chapter 19 review, that's going to be your key that the test is the next day. So what does our title say? Count, quarters, and pennies. All right, read us the directions. Write the value of the coin. Okay. That guy's worth 1 cent.
I forgot this one.
Yeah, this is what happens.
5?
Yes, ma'am. Nickel is 5. Remember, he says
10.
What does he say? It's no fair. I'm bigger and I'm worth less than the dime. Right? Mm-hmm. Ooh, that guy's not 5. Remember, take a look at the quarter over here. 25. That's okay. Write it under it.
Wait, that's... What?
That's a quarter. Number 4 is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents.
Oh.
So write 25 at the quarter. Good. See how much bigger he is than even the nickel? Mm-hmm. See, he's big. And he's got George Washington. See George Washington there? Okay, so be careful because there's quarters on here. We haven't done those in the previous lessons. All right, read us these directions.
Write the total value as you count on.
All right, so what would that first coin be worth?
25.
All right. Now, you know, if you remember, we used to draw a line to take a deep breath. So can you draw a line for us? Because the coins changed. Now, instead of 25, okay. Well, yeah, that could work only because they changed at the same spot. Mick, ma'am, what would come after 25 by ones? 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Yeah, it's just a big pattern. Yeah. Good. Okay, now count it out loud for me. 25, 26, 27. Okay, start her up again. What's the next coin worth?
25.
Do you remember how many pieces of hair a quarter gets in hairy math?
2.
Good guess. That's a dime.
3.
Good guess. 5. Give each of those 5 hairs. Can you believe that? He gets 5 hairs in hairy math. Now, Mick, what does each hair get counted by?
10.
5, 10.
5, 15, 20, 25.
Yep, when you cut his hair, he adds up to 25. Now we take a deep breath. Because now we're going to count by ones. 2, 5, 2, 6. It's a pattern. Nice work. Now remember, 0 the hero. Every time there's a 9, he flies in. What would come after 2, 9? Instead of 2 sets of 10, it
2,
would
9,
be...
2, 10.
Nope, there's no such thing as 2e10.
Oh.
So 25, 26,
27.
We already did that. 28, 29,
30.
Good. That's what would come next. And 0 the hero helps us with that. Okay, read us these directions. Read the story.
Circle the coins needed to be by each hot dog.
Okay, read us the word problem. Jesse
and Drew each want to buy a hot dog.
Okay, now freeze 1 sec. What if I couldn't read Jesse or Drew?
Blank and blank each want to buy a hot dog.
Very good. Who cares if you can't read something? Just read what you can. Okay, so this is the money Jesse has in his pocket. Drew has these coins. But what does the hot dog cost?
26. They can put it together.
They could, but here's the problem. They don't want to split it. They each want to buy their own hot dog. Maybe they're living in COVID times and they have to not get each other's germs. So, Jesse has to pay how much to get a hot dog?
26.
All right, X out what he would need to give to the cashier. Does he need to give him a quarter? Whoa, freeze. You're going nuts.
What?
What about the quarter?
Oh, I X'd
How
that
much
out.
is that? Oh, you did? Well, okay, think about it. It says circle, I'm sorry, not X. Circle the coins. Do they need, how much is the hot dog? 26. Okay.
Is
If
there a
we
hint
just
around
give
me?
him pennies, then we're going to only be giving him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 5 pennies enough?
We just need 1 penny.
But look what's first. So there's 25, but what do we need to get to?
26.
So how much is this guy worth? 20.
25.
So if he's 25, how many more to get to 26?
1 more.
Mm-hmm. Now I want you to count it for me.
25, 26.
Okay, now come over here to Drew. Drew doesn't have any quarters. So we got to come up with a different way to get to 26 cents. Do we need a dime? What are dimes worth?
10.
Okay, do we need 1? Okay, circle it. Now we have 10 cents. Any more?
3 or 2 more pennies.
Okay. Wait, freeze. Let's count 3 or 2 more. Ready? 10.
20.
Nope, that's worth 1. 10.
11, 12, 13.
Wait, freeze. That's not getting us to 26, is it? How can we get there?
Count by a different number.
Okay, yes. We could
10.
Another one? Could we do 2 tens? Let's count it. 10, 20. Okay, circle it, sure. But we still need to get to 26. We're only at 20. 20. Wait, count. Don't go crazy. 10, 20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25.
You tell me.
Nope.
What does the hot dog say?
26.
And right now we have, let's count it. Put your arm down for just a sec. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We need to get to 26. 20,
5,
20.
6.
Did that do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to touch these and count them to me. 25.
26.
Okay, stop, because that's all you circled. Count it again.
25,
26. Does that match the hot dog? Okay, now count the other ones for me. 10.
20.
Take a deep breath. 20.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
And that stops, right? Because we're at 26 cents. Good job. All right, flippity flop to the backily bop.
Can I break?
You are not getting any breaks, Missy.
Oh no, I just drilled myself on accident.
That's okay. Okay.
Now I'm gonna do it on purpose.
Oh, brother. Okay, can you pull the sheet up to you and read us the directions?
Circle the coins needed to make 25 cents.
Okay. Let's read the blue bubble. Can you
make 25 cents using only pennies or only dimes? No.
What if you had 25 pennies? What would you have? 25?
Cents.
Yeah. I don't know if we could do it with only dimes, though. Now, let's look at number 1. We need to make what, Mick?
25.
Okay. Could we do 1 dime? Why? What's a dime worth?
Done.
But could we use one of those to get us closer to 25? Okay, circle it. 10. What about another dime? 20. Count out loud. Then what?
21.
Mm-hmm.
22.
Mm-hmm.
23.
Mm-hmm.
24.
Good. Now count it for me one more time. 10.
10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 20.
Good. No, stop. 25 we stop at. Now, number 2. What are those first coins worth? Let's do
10.
hairy math on these for me. 2 hairs for a dime. 5, 10. 5, 10, because they're worth 10. Is that guy 10? He looks the same. Yeah,
Oh.
10. But Freeze, different. How many hairs does he get? 1. Yeah, draw a line, and this guy gets 1 hair, 1 hair. Okay, are you ready? What number do we have to stop at? 25.
25.
Okay, circle. What do you think? Should we circle a dime? Will that get me close to 25?
There's no dime.
That first one is a dime. With the 2 hairs?
Are we still on this one, or
We're on number 2. We haven't circled any yet. We just did hairy math to help us count them.
Oh.
Should we circle a dime? Would that help us get to 25?
Okay.
All right. What would that give us?
20.
No. 5.
10.
10. Circle them.
This mark is dry.
Okay, get going then. 5, 10. Should we circle another one? 15, 20. Freeze. 25, 30. Should we? No, X him out. We cannot do 3 dimes. That makes 30 cents. We're trying to get to 25. Right now we have 10, 20. What would come next by hairy math? Let's do this. Pretend you got lost and you lost your count. I'm going to do a different marker. Can you count by 5s for me?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Whoa. What are you supposed to stop at?
25 cents.
So let's try it again and stop when we get to 25. Ready?
10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Should we circle him? Yeah, because we got to get to 25. So 10, count with me. We're going to do it 3 times. 10, 20, 25. This one's worth 5. 10, 20, 25. Again. 10, 20, 25. Remember when the quarter on that fun video, he says, you could for 2 dimes and a nickel. He's worth 2 dimes and a nickel. Now, what are these next guys worth, Mick? Are they worth 10 or 5?
5.
They're all worth 5. So, what number do we have to get to? What did our directions say? 25. We got to count by 5s. Are you ready? Should we circle 1?
Do we do hairy math or
You don't
circle?
have to.
Okay.
Do we need 5 cents? Yep. 5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
And stop. Why? Because the directions.
We only go to 25.
That's right, because 25 cents is a quarter. All right, what does number 4 say to do? Right?
Write the total value.
All right. What is this guy worth?
25. 20.
25.
23.
No. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
26. 27. 28.
All right, put the lid on and let's count it 3 times together. Ready? 25, 26, 27, 28. Let's take a deep breath here. Ready? 25, 20.
26, 27, 28.
One more time. Good. 25,
25, 26, 27, 28.
Good. Okay, now, what are these guys worth?
5.
Okay, can you count by fives for me and then take a
5, 10, 15.
deep... What comes after 1, 5 by ones? After you turn 5, you turn...
16.
Good. Okay, so count it for me again. Okay, go ahead and write 16. Nope, that would make 61. Remember, the teens are backwards. You got to put the 1 first. Yeah, good job. It looks like it's 1e6, but it's really 16. Okay, now put the lid on and count it for me 3 times. 5,
10, 15, 16.
One more time.
5, 10, 15, 16.
Good. Now, let me show you something. Let me just write it above each one. So it's going to look like this. 5, 10, 15. What comes after 5 by 1 more?
6.
16. 5, 10, 15, 16. All right, nice work. Read us the next directions. Right?
Write the related facts for the fact family. Now, I'm good at both of these.
You're good at all of this. The reason why we're rusty in math is because in the money, we haven't done it in so long.
I can do this without you even telling me what to do.
You know why? Because we just did it a while ago, but when we don't do something for a while, it's hard for us to remember.
No, I've memorized this.
Oh, okay. But what I mean is, you're going to be so good at money again by the end of this week because we're doing it every day. You're going to get better and better at it. Good job. And money is one of the hardest things in math for kids because you have to jump around counting by different things. So tell me what you're writing. 6 plus 7 equals what, Mick?
13.
And then read me the next one. 7 plus
7 plus
6 is 13. Now you're writing, you got to read it to me. 13 minus 7 equals 6. And then you wrote 13 minus 6 equals 7. Wait, freeze, read me the directions.
Write the time.
Okay, which goes first? What does the baby hand say? Me first, me first. Tell me the time.
3
o'clock on the
o'clock.
dot. Oh, this one's different. Yep, it hasn't gotten to 11 yet. 10:30. Good, Mick. Oh, freeze. That is a classic one that gets kids messed up. Scribble out the 12. What does the baby hand say? Me first, me first.
Oh.
Yep, that's a tricky one. Yep. Perfect. Nice work. Good save. Mm-hmm.
And I'm done.
Awesome work, first grade. We will see you for the next video.